Good morning, good evening, everybody, and welcome back to Grog Trade, your Q's analysis class on Thursday, December 20th of 2012. Carolina Lezon here with Grog Trade, a graduate student of the Grog Trade mentoring program. So now hope you're all ready for some technical analysis here again with me tonight. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the Q's daily chart and let's see what happened here today. Wow, look at this. We are making our first lower high and our first lower low bouncing off of a very important area of support down here at those moving averages. As you can see, the one here in green, which is the 8 moving average, the one slightly below it in pink, and also the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue. This is a significant area of support that we're facing at this moment, okay? So the first one is here that we're making our first lower high and our first lower low. So watch those guys really carefully tomorrow. And also watch those areas of support because, as I mentioned here a second ago, these are significant. So what else do we see happen here? We did go all the way down here, tested those areas of support, couldn't sustain that low, and we pushed back up, closing the day higher, but slightly below the 66.37 mark, which was the high of December 3rd. So we never made it above it and we never finished the day above it. The thing here is that we are still in between those two areas, the area of resistance and the area of support, and now that's what you have to pay close attention to tomorrow. Watch the 66.37 as well. And because if we do ever close above it and also break through the high of today, which was a 66.41, and close the day higher, we could head higher at least to that high of yesterday, which was at 66.76 and then 67.20. So those are areas that I want you to pay close attention to. And now let's move down and let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD is slowing down a bit. Okay, we are getting ourselves ready for a big move one way or the other. And as you can see here, we are seeing that bounce off of the significant area of support on a pretty nice volume. So it's higher. So we are seeing some increase in volume since yesterday. So yesterday was much lower. Now we're slightly above the average, which is a good sign. So we could be seeing some move to the upside. But remember, always remember this, that we never know what happens because we trade what we see, not what we think. Keep that in mind, all right? I always keep a note like this on my screen before I get into any trades to remind myself that this is very important to avoid mistakes. That's all that I have for you for today. Hope you learned something here, and safe trading to all of you, and I will see you back again tomorrow.